want to be in front of him.
No, exactly.
So, Andy Garcia, you did it in 1 minute 46.1, which means I think that you are the third fastest driver we ever had.
And that's not bad.
But I think for a man who's never driven on the correct side of a car before, that's very, very impressive. And it's just been a huge pleasure and an honour to have you here. Ladies and gentlemen, Andy Garcia.
Now, earlier on, we were told to invent motorhomes that were cool and that would prove so successful they would rid this country of the caravan menace forever. The results so far have been, well, mixed, but no matter. We rejoin the action after spending the night trying to sleep through what felt like a Force 9 gale.
The next morning, mercifully, the wind had died down, but it had taken its toll.
Oh dear. Oh look. So it's done the same in the games room?
Yeah, I brought the roof down onto the pool table, and the living room, and the cinema.
I promise you, Hammond, it was worse for me.
How can it be worse for you? The roof fell in on my library.
I promise you, it was worse for me.
What's worse than that? Oh yeah, that's worse.
Morning. Oh, God. Is that just the wind did that?
Oh yeah.